Welcome to Life Automated. Today, I want to share something really exciting with you about Google Gemini API, one of Google's latest AI advancements, designed to help developers and content creators work more effectively. Gemini isn't just about chatting or generating text. It has a remarkably broad language processing potential, suitable for complex projects like script writing, blogging, or even enterprise applications. If you're interested in automating tasks, optimizing workflows, and harnessing AI for your daily work, stick around because this video is definitely for you. Today, I'll guide you through how to create a Google Gemini API key, integrate it with Make.com, and then save the results to Google Sheet. Watch till the end to get all the details. First, search for Google AI Studio on Google, or go straight to the URL if you already know it. Once you've logged in, look for the Get API Key option. Click on that and select Create API Key, then choose Gemini from the list of services. Google AI Studio will quickly generate an API key, copy it, and make sure you save it somewhere safe. Keep in mind that Gemini 1.5 Pro offers a certain number of free requests, which is usually enough for basic experiments. If you plan on using AI for larger projects, you may want to consider upgrading for higher throughput and more generous call limits. Next, go to Make.com and set up a new scenario. Type Gemini in the search box and select Create a Completion. In the module's configuration window, you'll see a connection section. Click to create a new connection, give it a name, for example, Gemini Key, then paste in the API key you just copied from Google AI Studio. Inside the Gemini module, pick your preferred model. Let's say Learn LM 1.5 Pro Experimental. Look under Messages and set up an entry with role equals user. Next, add message type equals text to specify that you're sending a text-based prompt. For example, I'll type, write a funny story. Once that's done, click right on the module and choose Run the module only. If everything goes smoothly, you'll see a green indicator and you can open Result to read the short story the AI just generated. This is where the power of AI truly shines, producing fresh content ready for you to use or refine. As you can see, Gemini gives you a powerful language model, while Make.com handles the orchestration of your workflow. Together, they let you generate content for blogs, marketing, video scripts, and so much more, automatically and right away. If you want to expand even further, you can link Gemini outputs to other Google services like Google Sheets or Gmail, or even Slack and other integrations. It's a great setup for anyone who needs AI's capabilities but still wants full control over the work process. Let's take the example by creating the model with Google Sheet. In your scenario, once the Gemini module is set up, click the plus icon to add a new module, search for Google Sheet, and choose Update a Row. If prompted, link your Google account so Make.com can store files in Google Drive on your behalf. Name your document, then drag the message text output from Gemini into the value field. Don't forget to save both this module and the entire scenario because Make.com won't do it automatically. The moment you run the scenario, your prompt is sent to Gemini, the AI-generated response comes back, and a new row was updated in the Google Sheet. So there you have it, the steps to set up a Google Gemini API key, connect it with Make.com, and route the content to Google Sheet. I hope this video gives you the motivation and know-how to put AI to work in your day-to-day tasks. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe to Life Automated, and feel free to share it with anyone else looking to streamline their workflow with AI. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below.